It's okay to get that. Well, maybe. We'll try to take you. Hold it up.
Okay, let's see where's everybody. Ooh, we got a high table right here. Oh. Is it?
Yeah. Excuse me?
Ah, oh my goodness. How you guys feeling? Tired, I know. Why are you yawning? Why are you yawning? You are not supposed to be yawning. Huh? What's next? Oh, 18 and above? 16? Oh, 18?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. We're about to have our late dinner here. These are the snacks. Breakfast. What are you having? Chicken. How's it?
Okay.
Okay. I'm having a roast beef, sandwich, and water. What are you drinking? Huh? This water. Man, my feet are burning. I'm so tired. Woo! And walking.
Are y'all dancing?
No, you were just standing there.
We're dancing. Uh-huh.
You know how I sleep.
You want to
What?
Huh?
Neither what?
Just looking at the other sheets.
Is it dark?
Can you imagine?
You want some other notes,
Yeah, maybe she does need that, yep.
I can. I'll take my time. I'll take my time. It's been like 2 weeks.
If I'm 52, you can do this too. Here we go. I wanna put on my boogie shoes. I wanna put on my boogie shoes. Ooh, yeah. All right, let's find out the leather side once again. Guys, you gotta be better on this side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just for the sake of the fact we have to do one more, you guys won the second round, okay? We'll do it again in a few seconds. All right, we're gonna take you now to a place called Funky Town. Here we go. All right, let's play that violin. Just so you know, I used to have a body just like that. I used to do that music. All right, play those drums. All right, everybody, it's time to get down on it. Here we go. How low can you go?
Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. I want people to get down.
Get your back up, come on. Tell me. Everybody get down. Get down on it. Get down on it. Really want it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Get down on it. Getting down is easy. Getting up is hard. All right, my party people, it's time to teach you a dance. If you were not alive in the 1970s, you'll have no clue how this one is done. So we're going to teach you, everybody. It is called the hustle. This was the very first line dance created. So if we catch you in on a 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm too old. I gotta take a 3-minute break. I'll be right back. People. All right, here we go. Let's do it. Hey, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You're good.
Ooh, disco. Where are my disco mamas and my disco daddies? Sing along if you know the words. Oh, we are having way too much fun tonight. Oh, everybody, shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Check, check, check. Let's see. Check, check, check. Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Yeah.
Check, check, check.
This is a 70s version of twerking. Just so you know, everything was invented in the 1970s. And the past few years, everything was copied and destroyed. The 70s is what it was all about. Here we go. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Everybody shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. All right, time to sing along. Karaoke. Sing it, everybody. Go on now, go! Oh, it's me and the ladies again. I got my job. Everybody, let's get ready. Here we go. All right, the village people are down there with you. The village people are down there. They're down there. If you want to touch the Indian, or the sailor, or the police officer, it's time for the love train, everybody. Grab the waist in front of you. We want to see one long love train from the back to the front. Here we go. Here we go. All the trainers already left the station now. Let's do this. Let's get the long line going in the back. Come on, party people, join me. Let's do this. says what mighty luxury. You look absolutely gorgeous up here. By the way, this entire party is going to be on TV tomorrow, Channel 1, from noon till midnight. Zoom it in, zoom it out. If you can see how fabulous it looks from here. All right, let's continue the disco party, everybody. Here we go. It's Earth, Wind, and Fire. All right, time to do some great lines. Everybody, let's do this. Come on. Tonight, these lovely people up here, they have been on the team for many, many months, and 3 people are leaving the team on Friday. It's going to be very sad. 4 on the bridge. Oh my goodness. We got Natalie, Minan, Milos, and Jaco. Amazing. It's their last party, everybody. I know you're exhausted from watching us. It's time to party to the next one. Everybody, here we go. Yeah. 1978. I was 7 when this came out. Let's take this.
You're looking a little. You're looking a little.
It's really hard dancing over the Ben & Jerry's ice cream. It's not easy, I tell you. The way your family is black. Here we go. Thank you, everybody, here we go. Baby, one more time. We're going to the gym tomorrow. We're going to the gym. We're going to work out tomorrow. It's getting hot in here. Let's turn on the inferno lights. Burn, burn. We need to open up some windows here. All right, here we go. Very easy to redeem ourselves with the podium and too nice. This is what we call INRG disco. INRG. Here we go. Two more songs to go. He is covering it. We're going to call you the Disco Batman. I hope we got your TV. That's really awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause for my crew stars. And one more, a goodbye thank you to Jethro, Midnight, and the loss of the crew stars. Full stop, they're leaving us at the end of the cruise. Here we go. Everybody, here we go. The two lovely people on deck number 8. You're just staring at us. Put a bit of motion in, sir. We see you there. Oh, he's got the leg moving now. He's got the leg moving. All right, let's continue the party right now. We're taking you back. Oh my goodness, 49 years. Please welcome the most original. It's time for In the Navy. Take it over now. This is the original choreography from 1974. The original. Work it, boys. Work it, boys.
Not dripping, it's working.
By the way, one of our macho men is not wearing any underwear tonight. What could it be? Everybody. All right, it's
Yeah, man.
Are we having fun so far? Slow group for it. All we're going to do is just do this. Here we go. Everybody. It doesn't matter how old you are. You've all got the groove inside you. We will see you at production showtime in the Royal Theatre. The show starts in 10 minutes. I will see you there, or I'm sweating. Please don't get. Thank you very much, Joe Allen, Broadcast TV. Come on, everybody!
How was it?
It was good.
Enjoyed yourself?
Yes, sir.
Back in the 70s, right?
I'm looking for him.
I was back in the 70s. Oh, that was awesome. We enjoyed ourselves, right? Already.